Hello guys, this video is an explanation video for the guys who purchased the system, the UncleDeriv's Mega Spikes Omega system. So this system, it works for both boom and crash, and it can be implemented on the phone strategy, as a phone strategy, or on the laptop, because the settings, they are the same. So what we are primarily looking for is a curve, either on these Bollinger Bands, these red ones, the outer Bollinger Bands, or the envelope. But the envelope is the best one because it gives the best entries. So the curve we are looking for, let me search for a setup here. You can see this one was a rejection here because it spiked when it reached the middle band, but it was curving. As you can see, this curve, it was falling down. So the next one, we'll see it on the upper envelope because this is crash. So we will be taking this upper envelope, this one, not this one below. So you can see this strategy, it works on ultra zoom. You have to zoom out completely so that you get these small candles. Let me change these settings so that you can see. This is the setup. You can see you have to find this yellow envelope going down like this. Let me search for crash 500. Let me search for another entry. So basically we'll be looking for something like this. You can see that this yellow envelope is falling down. You can see it's not going up like you can see on this blue or this purple. It's slightly going down. So from this entry you can get some spikes, you can see, and it can continue down, and we can get another entry. You can see here, this was an early entry from here. So we'll be looking for this envelope to be going down for crash, and for boom is the opposite. They should be like curving up so that you can get the spikes. And you can see right here, this was a perfect example. You can see that it's falling, this envelope. So when it reaches here, when they touch, it's supposed to spike. You can see also here. And these ones, they will be now rejections. You can see it's now slightly going up. So when you touch, it rejects. So it's more like spike hunting. You can get your spike and you can get out. You can see it's still rejecting. When they meet, while it's going up, it's now in uptrend. You can see it's now in uptrend. So this is this simple strategy. Here when they meet, it's supposed to spike. Again, somewhere around here, it was supposed to spike. You can see it's going up, so it will be giving us these small spikes. And here you can see this was this entry. You can see it's now slightly, it's not like falling as it was doing here, but it's more of a rejection. You can see this was a sniper entry from here going down. So what we'll be looking for is just the momentum going down for crash and going up for boom.